Alpha.
White tigers are a genetic mutation of the Bengal tiger. They have been recorded in India since the 16th century, and the first documented capture was in 1915. Today, white tigers only exist in captivity. In 1951, Maharaja Martand Singh of Rawak captured a white tiger cub in Bandhavgarh and named him Mohan. Mohan was the last white tiger spotted in the wild. All white tigers in captivity today are descendants of Mohan. The white tiger's white fur is caused by a lack of the pigment phenylalanine. White tigers tend to grow faster and become heavier than orange Bengal tigers.